do it. There we go. I'm such a big boy. I play with sticks. I throw them. I throw them hard. I'll be a bad boy. Bad boy. Me throw sticks. Yay! Me a baby who can run. I'll be in my car because they see me rolling. They hating, patrolling, and try to catch me red and dirty. Damn, oh, never mind. I get distracted easily. I'm gonna get my tractor. You can take a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, baby. We can go faster. Oh, wow. You can take a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, baby. We can go faster. I just carry it. These wheels are ridiculous. RIDICLOUS. It's just ridiculous. This is so heavy. Oh, finally, I'm on a pavement, rocks. You can take a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, baby. We can go faster. Rock me, mama, like a green tractor. Rock me, mama, like a tractor. Hey, tractor, rock me. This is useless. It doesn't work. I just go backwards. I tap my wheels. Ah! Where'd my seat go? Hey. Ah! I throw my tractor. I throw it. What can I do now? Me that rocks. Me like rocks. Me throw rocks at neighbor's fence. No, I can't do that. My nana be mad. Let me go somewhere else. What's all this junk? I see paper. Is that? It's seashells. I like seashells. Oh no. Me throw my thing. Me nana be mad. Those from our vacation. I go somewhere else. I get a rusty thing. But my grandpa be very mad about that. Let's go in back and we'll go look at the junkyard. Ugh, this place is nasty. What did I find? Nothing. We just breeze it off and go on our way. Wagon? No. Actually, this place isn't that bad. It's just my backyard. Wow! That's all messy. Boy, if you don't... There's my little house. Right in there, too. In there. I push these mattresses, but then my daddy yell at me. What's me whip? What's me nene? I'm so good at these dance moves. There's the compost pile. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. On to the, down to the, I'm bored. I can go into the hill. What do I have? Oh my gosh! It's syrup bulldoze. Ah! Ah! I found leaves. What am I touching? Ah! It's a bird! Run! Ah! Sleepy. Maybe we should head back to my swing so my mom doesn't worry about me. Good idea!